guys, it's Leah's Perfect Pets here, and now I'm just going to show you how I spot clean my cages. They're over there. I kind of locked them up basically. So yeah, I'm just going to be focusing on this cage right here first. So what I do for spot cleaning is I get this little vacuum. But yeah, I don't know, I didn't charge it for a while, so it might go out on me, but that's okay. So right about now, if you can see this, it's pretty full, so I'm just going to empty this and continue on. So unfortunately it went out on me, because yeah, I didn't charge it. So what I'm just now going to do is just spot clean by manually, I guess. So yeah, usually I'm just like, you know, sweeping everything up in this guinea pig cage. And yeah, so I'm just going to go dump this out, charge it, and sweep this cage. Okay, so I have like this pet thing roller, I think, or cleaner. It's a hair thing. I'm not sure where I got it from. I know it's from Amazon, but I'm sorry, I don't know the name of it. So, but it does keep like help get some of the hair up, so that's good at least, you know. Yes, right now I'm just sweeping this up. Someone is over here. Lila. Hello, Lila. So, yeah, unfortunately, I don't really like to do it like this. Like, cause the con I'm having with the whatchamacallit, vacuum is that it fills up pretty quickly. So that's a bummer in a way. So yeah, but I mean, it's kind of better to, it's like a kind of like the vacuum is good for like hard to reach places. So yeah, it's good for that, I would say. Oh my gosh, Miss Toffee. What are you doing? See, like, yeah, they kind of know that I'm here and cleaning their cage, so they kind of want to come in. But I'm like, you can't come in here. No. So, yeah. Yes, they are just very curious creatures. So I'm just going to empty this here, and I will be back with this cage to show you, because yeah, it would take a long time. Yeah, so I'll just show you the finished clean look of this cage, and I'll be back. So yes, it is clean. There's some stains on here, but because of them, obviously. See, I love how they're all patiently waiting for me to open this door. So that is great. Sorry. So I'm gonna go ahead and lock them in, because I need to go ahead and do this area. But yeah, this area was a lot of poop because they mainly sleep in this area. So yes. See, I locked it. So I like that about the Midwest cages, that they do lock, or you know, the ramps do. It gives you like you know, time to actually focus on the cage. So I'm gonna do this section of the cage. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and sweep over here. Yeah, it won't really take that much or time, because there's not that much poop over here at all. So yeah, I'm basically done with this area. Like, this is how much, I don't know if you can see this or not, but this is how much was right there. So, I'm just gonna put whatever back was over here and fix that. And then move on to the next section. Alright, so we're moving to this section right here. I'm just gonna move this over. So I mainly use this, so usually I vacuum all of the other sections except for this section because it's a lot of hay over here. So I just try to get up as much as I can. Yes. And usually I like the hay racks because I don't really put them on the floor because I just feel like it's a lot of hay wasted. I mean, sure, it's easier for them to access it, but it's easier for them to eat on it as well. I remember I tried to do that, and all of their whatchamacallit was soaked. The hay was literally soaked, and I was like, never again. It's just a waste of hay. So, I like this version better. So I kind of dig it out as well, and just continue on that path. And yes, I did hand threaded this blanket with yarn, but that was like a long time ago. But yes, so I'm just still continuing this week. So I'm gonna refill that hay, and I am done with this section of the cage. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this section right here. So I'm just gonna close this up before I let the guinea pigs out. Yeah, I'm kind of like bummed that my vacuum cleaner decided to basically go out on me, which that's fine, I guess. That's totally fine. So that is a hay grass mat, if you don't know what that is. So this is basically where like their chew toys are, and mainly where I put them at, or anything that they chew is going to be over here. And I figured, I don't know, these are bamboo sticks. I don't know if you can see that. But yes, really didn't poop over here. Yeah, it's amazing. The most poop is over there where they sleep, which is good. I mean, it's less work for me, to be honest. So, yeah. Even with 5 guinea pigs, yeah. So, it works out pretty much. So I am going to go ahead and let them out after I do some finishing touches. Because, yeah, they're starting to, like, literally bite the cage and stuff. Because they want to be out. But, oh, yeah, I missed some poops. Sorry. I missed it. I was like, oh. So, I mean, that's okay. So this is what it looks like. Now I just refilled that one. So, yep. Now I'm going to go ahead and let them out. Alright. Hello. But yeah, I still have to clean that area over there, so. But see, they already made like a pooping mess. Are you like serious right now? So I just refilled their little salad that I give them. Yes. So yeah, they're all eating the salad. It's crazy. So I'm just gonna show you that side and we'll be done. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do this section over here. It's harder because these curtains are, yeah, they are curtains. This is actually my pillow that I had, but I just gave it to them. It suits them because they obviously poop a lot. So that's why it's there. And here they're coming, because every time they hear this cage open, they're like, oh my gosh, I have to run up to it. I have to do something. So it's crazy how their little minds work. After like I do this cage, I am going to feed them. I normally do it earlier, or would do it earlier, but might as well. So I only feed them like once a day, and I am planning to make some more fleeces because so like, okay, I've tried like sewing guinea pig blankets or whatever, and it just doesn't work. So I'm gonna keep trying. And even like the sewing needle of the sewing machine, it broke. So I had to like go to Walmart or something, or Joanne, or probably Walmart, and just go get the little sewing needle or whatever. So that's great, I guess. But I don't know. I'm gonna keep trying. Just like Aaliyah said, first you don't succeed, you gotta dust yourself off and try again. So I am completely finished with that side, and everything else. Oh nope, I lied. Apparently it's there. There's some poop there. You're on a hammock. So I'm going to go ahead and sit this down and open the cage. Hi, Plump! Hi, Plumpy! Hi, Plump! Would you like to go in? Would you like to? Go in. Yay! Here they all follow suit. Okay, they're just like, nah, we just gonna keep eating. But yeah. Oh, she's like budging through there. Just going through a little tunnel or PVC tube. So yes, I am just going to go ahead and oh, Toffee, get yourself there. Just gonna go ahead and feed them. Wait. I just put some food over there. Look at her. Sorry, guys. So this is just spring mix and romaine lettuce. So, yes. And everyone's eating. So, yes. There's some quick little footage of them eating. What just happened? Well, yes, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like this video and just tell me. That was weird. She loves her lettuce. Lila's gonna get it. Yes, just leave a comment and tell me what you thought about the video. And yes, I will see you all soon. Goodbye.